Ano nangyayari behind closed doors? Bakit ka na pa, Marian, sa project na to?
Well, parang walang dahilan para mag-go for this project kasi parang napaka-offbeat niya para sa akin. Yes.
What do you mean by offbeat?
Well, ang character ko dito ay mistress. So, first time ko gagawin ito and of course, journalist ako dito. So, first time ko din gagawin. Kaya sabi ko, why not trying something new for me? And I think this is the good project for me.
I love
Yeah.
that. And Direk Dom, of course, napa-oo ka rin dito. What are you excited to bring out of your actors? And what a lineup of actors, ha?
Yeah, pero kasi si Marian, tagal ko na hindi nakakatrabaho eh. So sobra akong gusto ko nang makatrabaho ulit si Marian kasi puro ding-dong. So si Marian naman, at saka to add pala to what Marian said, ang role na dito, she's the mistress of the President of the Philippines. So, yun yung...
Ayan na, yung premise.
Tsaka very intriguing.
Nabitawan na natin yung premise.
So yata dapat sila.
But it's okay. At least very intriguing siya kasi di ba, ano bang nangyayari behind closed doors?
Exactly.
So yun ang dapat nila abangan.
Open to interpretation, but we're gonna leave it there because we wanna make sure we watch and we catch all the drama and the mga pasabog nitong bagong offering ninyo. So we wish you luck and congratulations.